OnPassive is arriving on the internet at the perfect time. When people are afraid to use the internet because of fear of losing money, OnPassive is arriving at the perfect time. OnPassive is going to remove that fear. OnPassive will give those users a new lease on life. Those internet users will be able to improve their lives. What a refreshing change that will be. OnPassive, the giant company with heart, will make sure that everyone who uses its products will succeed. The work will be done for them automatically. Who knew? Mr. Ash Mufareh knew. Most companies on the internet are using outdated technology that has failed miserably for their users. That business model is antiquated. OnPassive is arriving at the perfect time with its digital AI-enhanced technology. The companies now flourishing on the internet are about to fade out, because they are all using the same old outdated technology. Those companies will not be able to compete with OnPassive. That is the plain and simple fact. So, who stands to benefit when OnPassive arrives at the perfect time? Millions upon millions of internet users. Those users have been in bondage to those companies for decades. OnPassive will release them from the slavery of lost hopes and failures. OnPassive will not arrive too late. It will arrive at the perfect time. My brothers and sisters, founders in OnPassive, are you ready? We are almost there, my friends and founders in OnPassive. We can clearly see OnPassive on the horizon. We are living in the most exciting period of our lives. The captivating presence of OnPassive is about to be felt by the whole world. The positive effects of OnPassive will totally change the dynamics of doing business on the internet. OnPassive has removed all the landmines permeating the internet. Those landmines were designed to make it hard and dangerous to do business, for fear of losing the hard-earned money by the users of those companies. OnPassive is going to solve those problems. OnPassive will provide a safe haven for all its users. Cast out all doubt about OnPassive not delivering all that we have hoped and dreamed about. OnPassive will deliver all that we need, and the delivery will be on time. Everything is happening just as Mr. Ash Mufareh and staff have planned. Nothing can stop this humanitarian mission called OnPassive. Get ready, my friends. All of us founders will be thankful because we were patient and did not give up. Our patience is about to be rewarded. Look out, competitors, here comes your conqueror. OnPassive. OnPassive is no longer a hope. OnPassive is real. Calm your hearts and minds, dear fellow founders. We are going to be great. OnPassive is as real as the sun and the moon. Have your list of people that you are going to help. The organizations that you will be supporting. Be ready to share the wealth that we will have with OnPassive. Our burning desire to help uplift humanity is just about to be realized. Logistically, everything is ready. We have the why we are doing this. OnPassive provides the how it is done. That is the most amazing thing about OnPassive. The work is done for us. We know that OnPassive is the right company of which to be a part. 623,000 excited and motivated founders cannot be wrong. We form the nucleus of this great company called OnPassive. OnPassive is like the universe. It keeps getting bigger and better. Are you ready? John White, USA. A Bill Must production.